In this video, I am going to give you 5 tips to take your beauty routine from the winter to the spring. Hi, I'm Jane and welcome to my channel. I like to do makeup reviews in my bathroom. I want to say this is more of a tip video. It is probably the last time I will do anything beauty related in this bathroom because I have to move. So if you are a subscriber, let's enjoy this last one. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing and stay tuned to the very end because I have a giveaway. First and foremost, you must up the ante on your sunscreen. If you have been using 15 all winter, now is the time to up it to 30. If you've been using 30, now is the time to up it to 50. Now I know some of the makeup that we use has SPF in it, but it really isn't a lot. So I suggest that you use a regular SPF in your moisturizer, mix it with your foundation, whatever works for you. But I would definitely double up. We all get busy, and I don't know about you, but I forget to clean my makeup brushes. I don't even clean my bras enough. I forget. Some of you use the eye gel eyeliner, and that gets so goopy in a brush no matter how many times you run it under water. So I have a little trick. I use good old-fashioned olive oil. It really breaks up all the gook. Then I rinse it under water, and whatever oil is left behind, because oil and water don't really mix, I use clarifying shampoo. Suave makes one, under $2, can't go wrong. The pores on my forehead are getting worse and worse. I just don't know why. And in the winter, it's so bad. I have discovered sweet almond oil. I learned about this from a channel called Little Poet. I suggest you follow her because she's really funny and has such great beauty tips. She suggested using the sweet almond oil because this particular oil has a natural fatty acid which breaks up sebum and gets rid of dead skin cells. So it doesn't give you that really greasy feeling afterwards, and I'm starting to see some good results. You can get this at the health store. I think it was like $5 or $6. Can't beat that with a stick. This place doesn't have a dishwasher, and I cook and I have 2 stepchildren, so I'm always doing dishes. With all the water, my hands get so dry. I use the True Blue line from B&BW Works. This is the super rich body cream with shea butter. It is so good. I heard they may not be making it anymore, and I hope that's not true. So B&BW Works, if you're watching this, please just don't take it away. I love this stuff. It's thick, so you may want to do it at night before you go to bed if you don't mind getting your pajamas dirty or whatever. But I put it on my hands, I put it on my feet, I put it on my body. This stuff is just really good if you have super dry skin, and it has such a heavenly smell. It goes without saying that hair and scalp get very dry in the winter. Now, I get a keratin twice a year. My last keratin, I think I left in a little too long because it took a lot of the curl out, but it does help me fight the frizz. Because I have a keratin, I can't use anything with sulfates. I need my glasses for this one. I'm sorry, I just couldn't memorize it. Shea butter, which is a line that I love. I already reviewed it. Jamaican black castor oil, strengthening and restore treatment mask. With shea butter, peppermint, and keratin. This stuff is amazing. You only need a little bit as well. That's why I get these little packets. And I happen to get too many packets this month, so I'm going to give away one of these bad boys. Now, I know I said that I would make my next giveaway international, but I really don't have the time. I know I say I don't have the time. I really don't. I try to make these videos. I swear my next big giveaway will be international. Maybe I'll even make it international only. It's the usual drill. Leave a comment below and I will pick a random winner. I would love to hear what you do in your beauty routine to take you from winter to spring. Enjoy the last few snowstorms of the season and good luck with the giveaway.